Hello guys, what is your favorite fruit?
Ooh!
In today's video, I try Indonesian fruit. So please keep watching this video.
Let's try this one, okay? Let's try one by one. I don't know which one is good. Also, I don't know the name. So maybe I have to ask the name of the fruits. Yeah, first one is, what should I try? Which one should I try first? I don't know. Maybe I wanna try one by one. First one is you know, it looks like really strange. You know, all of thing is like looks like strange little bit. Let's try. First one is this. I don't know what is that.
Sorry, what is this name?
You know, this name is salak. Okay, let's try. I don't know. They say this is salak. Okay, let's try. This is my first time to try this one. So outside it looks like snake. Do you know snake? Animal. It looks like snake skin. I don't know how to peel it off. Okay, let's peel it off. Wow. Smell is really little bit sweet. I don't know. Wow. Wow, what mouth watering. Little bit watery and looks like juicy. Do you know what I mean? Wow. Wow. Also, this is really thin. This is like snake skin. I never tried something like that. This is sibulak. Salak. Okay, this name is salak. Let's try. It would be sweet. Okay, let's try. Also, it looks like hard. You know. Oh! Also, can you guys see three parts? You can divide three parts. Wow. Really refreshing. It's really hard. Wow. Really, how can I say that? 아삭아삭해. It's like, you know, little bit sweet. And I never taste anything like that. I cannot explain because this is my first time to try that. But I think it's my things. I wanna get it over times. I don't know how much is it, but it's good. Actually, it's refreshing and little bit sweet, and it's like apple. Do you know what I mean? Like apple. I love it. I wanna give the 7 out of 10. Okay, 7. Okay, let's try this one. Wow, it looks like really strange. It looks like vegetable. Do you know what I mean? This is not looks like fruit. It looks like vegetable. This is looks like paprika. Do you know paprika? I don't like paprika because it's not really sweet. I have a sweet tooth. Name is really cute, jambu. Also, it's really hard. Do you know what I mean? Jambu? For outside, really hard. I don't know. Maybe inside it's gonna be hard. But I'm not sure because this is my first time to eat the jambu. Jambu. Let's try jambu. I have to just like that. Huh? Interesting. Yeah, really interesting. If I bite, really smooth. Yeah. I don't know what is that. Jambu? Yeah. It's really interesting. Its texture is like vegetable. It's like radish. Do you know radish? Vegetable. It's texture like radish, and inside it's really juicy. Yeah. Jambu?
Jambu.
Do you like it? Yeah. It's not really sweet. Actually, it's not really sweet. It tastes like
Good.
this is like chame. Do you know what I mean? I think it's enak. I wanna give them 7 out of 10. Same with this.
Chili and
Really? This with chili and ketchup? You know? So my friends say you have to eat this one with ketchup. Should I put the ketchup in this one? Really? Ketchup? Really? I have to eat with chili and ketchup? Oh! My friends say I have to eat something like that.
name Indonesia.
Oh,
Rujak.
guja. This is
Rujak.
my first time to eat this. Really interesting. You know
Rujak good.
why they eat with this one with chili? I don't know. It's gonna be good, but I wanna try later. But not now. Okay, let's try this. It
Duku.
looks like similar.
No same.
Not same, right? What is
It's
this?
duku.
Dugu?
Duku.
Dolgu?
D-U-K.
Ah, dugu. Okay, let's try dugu. Ah,
No.
divide.
No.
Ah, ooh, inside something. Ooh,
No.
whoa, looks like jelly. Jelly?
No biji.
No BG. Whoa, like that. You know, it looks like jelly.
No.
I really like it. It's similar to lychee.
No,
Is it lychee?
No.
What is name?
Sad. Biji.
You know, inside there is seed, so she say don't eat the seed. But it's okay, not die.
Buah duku.
Dua.
Duku.
Dugu. Wow, I love dugu. It's like texture is jelly. Like
Dia
lychee.
makan bijinya pahit.
So I wanna give 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. See. Let's taste this. What is that?
Kelengkeng.
Kelengkeng?
Kelengkeng.
It's sweet? I don't know. But it looks like really
Go sweet.
really similar. It's like
Kelengkeng.
kelengkeng.
Yeah.
Kelengkeng?
Yeah.
Divide?
Mm.
Wow! Also
Biji.
inside there's something like jelly.
Biji.
Inside there are seeds, so I have to eat like that.
Sam and lychee.
This is rich. Same with rich. Wow, this is heaven. I really like it. And really now. This is my favorite.
Me favorite kelengkeng.
Wow, this is 100 out of 10. Crazy. It's really good.
Very sweet.
Yes, very sweet. You know, my favorite fruit is banana. But
Rambutan.
from now on, my favorite food is this. Name.
kelengkeng.
My favorite fruit is kelengkeng. Kelengkeng? Yeah, kelengkeng.
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 It's really small and cute and really small bite, so it's like snack. Do you know what I mean? Dugo and kelengkeng. What is different? This looks like really same. It's different flavor. This one is more sweeter than this. I think this is more yummy for me. Yeah, I love this. I wanna give 100 out of 10. Okay, next one is this.
Rambutan.
Looks like really strange.
Good.
Ah, rambutan?
Yeah.
This is lychee? Oh,
No.
오랑땡이 lychee.
No.
Lychee?
No lychee.
Oh, this is really big. Wow. I think this is famous Indonesian fruit. Also inside their seed, I think seed looks like big. My favorite. Oh my god. This is my favorite. I love it. This tastes like heaven. Sweet and chewing and smooth and juicy. What can I say? That it's like rich. This is also 100 out of 10. I love it.
Rambutan good.
Rambutan. This name is rambutan.
Sawa.
In Korea, we never find something like that. I think Indonesia is fruit heaven. Yeah. This is
Orange.
orange. Just orange. In Korea, we have orange. So, just I want to say how different it is. I think it would be same. But I don't know, it's gonna be different. I think Korean orange is more sweeter. I don't know. This one is not my thing actually. This one is like 3 out of 10. I don't like it.
I don't know.
I love this one more. This one is more sweet. Do you know what I mean? Not really sweet. She say this orange is not good. So maybe I have to try another orange. Yeah, usually they say usually sweet. Orange is usually sweet. But I think this one is not good, right? I think Indonesia is fruit heaven. That's why I want to live here. I really like fruit. Indonesia fruit is always like fresh because in Korea we cannot grow up many fruits because Korea have a 4 seasons, right? So we cannot grow up. So let's try this one. Name?
Manggis.
Manggis. This name is manggis. Manggis. Let's try. Okay, let's try. Ooh, oh, 까기 힘든데? Ah, I have to like that? Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yeah.
Inside there is white one. Smell is so nice. Maybe I have to eat this part. Like that? Really slime. It looks like slime. Sleepy, really sleepy. 쭉.
No. Sweet.
One top. This one is really mangosteen?
Manggis.
Manggis? Wow. Manggis is really good.
Yes. Very sweet.
No.
No.
We have to eat just the white one, right? But it's a little bit hard to peel it off. Okay, let's try one more time. I think this one is really sweet. And at the same time, it feels like rich. Mangosteen sweetness is out of 10. Out of the world. I very low. Wow. Also, Indonesia fruit is really affordable than Korea. Usually in Korea, fruit is really expensive. But in here, I can get it many fruits for affordable price. Okay, my favorite one is this one. Ta-da! Number 1 is this.
Manggis.
Manggis. Mango stick. Score 2.
Pancake.
This one.
Pancake.
Flanking. And second, third,
Rambutan.
3등은
Rambutan.
this one. Rambutan. And 4 is
Sawa.
4 is this. Okay? It's same. 4 same. And 5 is this. And 6 orange. Okay. Today fruit review is finished. I love it. I love Indonesia fruit. maybe I fell in love all of things. So thank you so much. Bye bye.